won't come with any compromise in emotion, high-tech, or driving fun. Just the opposite. The boldest proof point for this is on stage with me today, the Vision EQ Silver Arrow. This electric maniac is what happens when you look away a few seconds too long and let the designers do their thing. And you know what? That's good. It's one of the reasons why I love working for this company. But let me underline, this is not our vision for upcoming series cars. It's a mission statement. The Mercedes way of emission dropping will always remain jaw-dropping. That's why it makes perfect sense to have this car on stage today. It's also a strong tribute to our long history in motorsports. A history closely intertwined with our history in France. In fact, the Mercedes brand was born on a French racetrack. In 1901, the very first Mercedes took part in the legendary Nice Race Week. It quickly went from zero to hero, as it was the first car to cross the finish line, because it dared to rely on an entirely new drive concept and an entirely new design. To us, that serves as a great inspiration to speed up the transformation to electric drivetrains and to honor our French connection.